Hello everyone, this printer is HP LaserJet M140we. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct. Now this printer is in a wireless mode and you can see the Wi-Fi light is flashing intermittently. But we need to turn off the Wi-Fi light completely. So you need to make sure you turn the Wi-Fi button off. You can see the light for Wi-Fi is no longer on. And the printer is on, but the Wi-Fi button light is no longer on. Now the next thing to do is you need to press the copy button to print out network configuration report. So press and hold it for 5 seconds, the copy button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you release it and the printer is flashing. So you need to wait until it prints out the network report. This information contains the Wi-Fi direct password and information. It will show you network summary HP LaserJet M140we. Wireless network not connected, wireless is off. Then Wi-Fi direct setup, start to enabled. It will show you the Wi-Fi direct name and also Wi-Fi direct password on this paper we printed out. To connect this printer to your mobile device or laptop via Wi-Fi direct, what you need to do is you need to go to your phone settings, select the settings, then scroll down and go to connections, go to Wi-Fi, select Wi-Fi on your mobile phone, and they will bring out all the network available. Look for direct 37 HP M140 LaserJet. So you select on it. This is direct 37/HP M140 LaserJet. We need to enter the password. So you go to the paper that you printed out and type in the details. So what I'm doing now is to type the details. Double check it to make sure the information you put is correct. Connect. Here we go. You can see checking the quality of internet. Checking the quality of internet. Connect only this time or always. You select connect only this time. 137 HP M140 LaserJet. So it's connected. If you want to print a document from your mobile phone, you go to My Files on the mobile. Go to My Files. Then select document. Then select the document that you want to print out. This is 2 pages document, so gently tap on it, select 3 dots, then select print. You will see this app, scroll down, and it's showing us HP LaserJet M140w. Select on it. Then you wait for the printer to be ready, and this is the yellow icon. So you can select every other thing, just select how many copies, black, and also the paper is correct paper A4. Then you select print. Select print. There we go. This is the document. So you need to wait for the second page to print out. The only thing I notice is when you are printing with Wi-Fi direct, it tends to take a bit longer, but it would still print out the document. So the second page is still printing. If you look on the printer, it's still flashing. So we need to wait for the second page to print out. There we go. Okay, so thank you very much. This is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct with your mobile device and print out a document. To connect it to your computer, then you need to go to internet access on your laptop. So go to internet access, select on it, manage Wi-Fi connections. So once you select manage Wi-Fi connections, it will bring out all the network available, and from the list, then you select direct 37/HP M140 Then it will show you connect automatically. Then you remove connect automatically. Then select connect. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to put the password. So it will ask you to enter password. I have the information here that we printed out. So I'm going to type the details. And also double check the information you put. Then you select next. Select next. Showing us verifying and connecting. Direct HP LaserJet, no internet secure. So it will show you direct 37/HP M140 laser, no internet secure. Then the next thing you need to do is you need to go to your laptop settings, go to the settings, go to printers and scanners, then select add a device. It will search all the available device. You need to wait for the printer to search all the available device, including show Wi-Fi direct printers as well. So it will search all the available device. And HP LaserJet Direct is available. Scroll down from the list and select HP LaserJet M139/M142, showing us idle print test page. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your HP LaserJet printer M140we on laptop and port name WSD and data raw. Thank you very much.